Bobbing into the tree switch was terrifying. Oh my goodness! I have horrible news, guys. I don't know if like on the weekends they let more people come, but what up, my dude?
They say there's nothing they're gonna do. I don't have anything.
Oh my! That was so big! Keystone! We're back! Hyped. I blame Benton. Anyways, we're back at Keystone and I'm really excited because they opened a lot of new terrain. I know Peru chairlift is at least open, so we're definitely gonna do a run up Peru and we're gonna see what the park is looking like, possibly. Ooh, I know Breck opened their park today and the reservation thing is frustrating because you can't like change the resorts and all this stuff. And I wish we were going to Breck for park. We won't be there till Tuesday. This season is definitely limiting our ability to shift and make quick decisions. We're still riding every day, but like we would 100% have just been like, we're going to Breck.
Yeah,
but like,
absolutely.
Not an option this year. Same thing, like we couldn't go to Vail opening day and things like that. And I'm guilty too when I'm like doing the reservation thing's frustrating because it's like a time limit window and my life is so busy. Every time it's like time to book reservations, I'm like doing some type of important task. So I'm like barely thinking about getting reservations. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're here. I'm stoked. I'm stoked that we can snowboard. Reservations, whatever. We'll deal with them.
Let's go ride.
I'm ready. Let's go ride now. Oh! So we just gone up. We saw there was a park and heard it's open. Dude! Alice's Spring Dipper's open.
Maybe he's gonna come open it up.
All right. So there is a park at Keystone. So Breck opened a park today. Keystone opened a park today. I'm so excited. It looks fun too. Couple tubes, just a couple features, but let's go. We're just gonna have to do a lap and come back and then it'll be open. I'm so hyped, guys. The ski dock!
I missed him.
Guys, look at this line. I don't know if like on the weekends they let more people come, but I have yet to experience a line at Keystone like this. And they have more runs open. Oh, man.
Guess okay.
Yeah. That's it. For the rest of the day, his face is blurred out. It makes me nervous that like, this is what the regular season's gonna be. All the time, just insane lift lines.
See how the Gandhi is though.
Yeah, I think the gondola is gonna be the quickest move.
Warm me up too.
Yeah, Michael needs to get toasty.
The overflow line over there has no people in it.
All right, so you guys, it's always a not line somewhere and you just gotta find it. No wait over here. Had to walk a little bit, but it's gonna save us like a lot of time. I have horrible news, guys. Somehow the ski dog got up and did a couple of runs, and then now they're telling him his pass isn't reserved, so he can't come ride with us anymore today. Like, come on! The only way to make today better is to mention today's sticker shout out. We got Daniel with the white sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker, supporting the dream. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the Evolution merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of it, we have it all linked in the description, guys. And if you do snag any of it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but follow the Instagram. And so many of you guys are going and following Instagram. Thank you so much. But if you follow the Instagram, that's where you get bonus extra content as well as the stories. I always make funny, goofy stories. And it's just a good time on the Instagram. So make sure you go follow my Instagram. And I've said it a couple of times, but dude, thank you for 10,000 followers on Instagram. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. All right, we got the ski dog. What up, my dude?
They say there's nothing they're gonna do. I don't have anything. I can't ride all week.
Dude.
Doors on Icon.
So I told them, I was like, it's costing me money. Like, I make a living off kind of doing this, you know?
Yeah.
It's hard enough as it is. All right, man. We'll have fun.
All right, dude. I'll talk to you later.
That sucks.
Such a bummer. We lost the ski dog, but the video will go on. Time to go rip some park. Hopefully the park's open by now. Because that dealing with that took about an hour. So.
There you go.
What up?
How you doing?
It's open. So excited. I'm a little nervous because they repainted the rails, and like you can tell the first 3 people that hit it scraped some paint off. So obviously throughout the year it'll get smoother. But park at Keystone, and we reserved a lot of Keystone, so we're not missing out because Breck just opened a park, and I was really worried we were gonna miss out on some park riding. Benson told me to do like one of my favorite butters switch. It's called the FMJ butter. We're gonna try it switch. The weather app lied to us today, guys. We thought the weather was gonna be nicer. Other than the lift lines, Keystone is so good right now. The park, the runs, a lot open. I'm really, really, really hyped. The line just keeps getting longer and longer, guys. I think we don't got much left in us. Ooh, fancy. Oh my goodness! He decided that like just a second ago. Oh my, that was so big and sketchy.
It's also the first time
You being upside down with all those trees around you. Oh! And literally we rode it, so like you ride in the trees, that jumps probably like 10 feet from riding in the trees. And as he's turning in, I was like, this is the jump you probably could backflip. And he goes, I think so. And then hucks it, dude. Oh! That's why he's backflipping, Benton. Give the kid a follow. He can backflip anything. We're gonna see if Montezuma's faster. Oh, we do know it's gonna be colder. It's been a really good day for a Saturday. It's been the Saturday. It's been very busy. Bobbing into the tree switch was terrifying. Once again, Keystone's killing it right now. Amount of terrain open, the side hits, the park. It's sick. Saturday, wow, busy. But once again, it's probably not as busy. It's just only 2 people can go up a gondola. People are taking single gondolas. So it takes forever to get people up.
What's up, Johnathan?
What up, dude? What's your name?
Cody.
Nice to meet you, Cody. Oh, let's go weird. Oh, the gold, dude.
Oh yeah.
Fresh.
Oh yeah.
And of course, too, the sun comes out after us riding in the shade. I was cold today.
It was so cold. I'm so cold.
I'm gonna wear a jacket even. I'll suffer being hot than being cold. Oh, no way. What's up?
How you doing?
What's your name?
Eli.
Nice to meet you, Eli. But I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, smash that like button. It really does help the channel. Helps the algorithm, helps more people find these videos. My goal is to help everyone become a better snowboarder. So the more people that find these videos, the more people we help. So smash like and subscribe if you're new. Once again, I'm trying to help become the best snowboarder possible, but also keep you up to date on everything going on, like Saturdays. Oh my goodness. Try and come on a weekday. Also guys, if you're walking to your car, don't walk down the village. Take this right turn. The back alleyway. It's Corona free. See? But no, it's quicker and no one's on it. It's the local move. And I know he's not here with us because he got kicked out, but make sure you guys go hit up the ski dock if you need a wax, a tune, your house and car, wherever you are. Michael will come hit you up. All of his information is in the description. He's got a Sprinter van like that. And dude, his business is so sick and he helps me out a bunch. So if you guys can hit up the ski dock if you need any tunes, it would mean the world to me, but also to him. He's just a local dude trying to make something out of nothing. It's so cool to see. And I'm bummed because I wanted to go to the van and get my stuff tuned at the end of the day. I'm gonna have to do it at the house. Some days, like, I didn't have high expectations for today. I just wasn't expecting that we were only gonna get like 4 runs, you know? So some days are just not go the way you plan, guys, but like, don't let it be a downer, because today was still a super sick day. So if you have reservations for a Saturday and you show up and it's not that sick and you're like, man, these lines and all this stuff, what I encourage you to do is slow down. Just be on the run longer. So so many of you guys bomb down the run and like just do quick runs. Well, slow it down and work on your ollie, work on 180s, like work on flat ground tricks, but obviously be aware of all the people because it's busy. But do you get what I'm saying? Like, don't just bomb to the chairlift and spend your whole day at the chairlift. You can slow it down and work on stuff. And like, that's the move on a day like today. We were this close to hiking the terrain park, but we're taking a day off tomorrow, no riding tomorrow. And I think we were kind of excited to get to that day off a little quicker. And the last thing I want to know, and I need you guys to comment down below, who sticks around literally for the outro song? I need to know how many of you guys are here for the outro song. Should it change? I don't know. It's been the same outro song for a while now. Does it need to be a different one? Comment down below. And if you think we should change it, what song do you recommend? Preferably a not copyrighted song, because then I can't make any money on the videos. So let me know, guys, in the comments down below. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow It's another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.